Cyberbullying in school and among peers is a growing issue that affects students both emotionally and academically. It involves the use of digital platforms such as social media, messaging apps, and online forums to harass, threaten, or humiliate others. This form of bullying can include spreading rumors, sending mean messages, or sharing embarrassing content, often done anonymously.
Kids forever, baby soft skin turns into leather. Don't be dramatic, it's only some plastic. No one will love you if you're unattractive. All Mrs. Potato Head tell me, is it true that pain is beauty? Does a new face come with a warranty? Will a pretty face make it better?
Some individuals bully others to feel powerful or to gain attention. Social media makes it easier for bullies to attack anytime and anywhere. Some people cyberbully because they think they can hide behind screens. Victims often feel trapped and humiliated. What makes cyberbullying so dangerous is its invisibility. Victims often suffer in silence, afraid to speak up. The pain is real. It leads to anxiety, depression, or low self-esteem, and in the worst case, suicide. Words typed in seconds can leave scars that last a lifetime.